You are welcome in your second country, especially our gallery. My name is Zenab. I want to give you a brief idea about this plant and how in the ancient time used to convert this plant to the first historical people all over the world. This plant, it was the holy plant in the ancient time for different reasons. First, the flower looks like sun rays. The sun, it was one reason to discover the god in the ancient time. Again, the stem has triangular shape, the same like smaller pyramid, sign of eternity, long life. This one, it was the holy plant for different reasons. Again, the flowers. Here, the map of Egypt, upper and lower Egypt, sky and earth. This one between 2 and 5 meters. It is an aquatic and tropical plant, grows in the two banks of Nile. It needs a lot of amounts of water, high temperature. How they used to make it? They used to cut it into different sizes, big or smaller one. We cut it like this, put it in the water for a couple of hours, peel it like rhubarb, bamboo, sugar cane. The green here part, it is so strong and flexible. They used to make sandals, chairs, baskets, something for the daily life. But the paper itself, we get it from the heart. Can you see the smaller holes between the fibers here? This kind of fibers keep inside about 20% gelatin, sugar, and little bit water. The ancient Egyptian discovered that this kind of gelatin and sugar make as a natural glue with no chemical additions. We just cut it to slices here. Here it is breakable. The ancient Egyptians themselves, they use the same tools like this one to convert this plant to the paper. They used to hammer it to make it more tender and flat. Roll it. Okay. Now it is more flexible and more stronger than the past. Quickly, they used to put the strips in the water for 6 days. Why? To reduce this amount of sugar, less from 20 to 6. By osmosis, change water daily. We squeeze them to reduce this amount of sugar also from the gelatin and sugar from 20 to 6. And then in the ancient time used to arrange the surfaces between two pieces of linen. Why the linen? To absorb the rest of sugar and gelatin and to keep them out of fungi and bacteria. We arrange them like this, weaving ones. And don't forget with no chemicals additions. The most important secret for our industry. Just weaving like this. The other technique, all of them horizontal one and all of them the vertical. Sometimes you will find strips close to the other one. Sometimes you will find arranged, not arranged, according to the mood of the artist. That's why each paper, it is unique. Each paper different than the other. Then in the past, they used to put it between two big stones, but just the modern one down the pressing machine for other 6 days. After 12 days, 6 and water, 6 down the pressing machine for the white, or 12, 20, 25 for the dark one, another 6 days, you will get the first historical paper all over the world. Our Papyrus paper, you can see the results and lines. Easy to cure, no crush for the paper, accept any kind of colors, any kind of ink. This so flexible one and immortal one. The same genius of ancient Egyptians to make the paper, the same for the colors. For the colors, they used to collect the minerals, stones, pressures, same pressures. They used to crush the stones, orange, red, blue, black. They used to add the resin from trees, colors from the insect, from the flower, from the vegetable, and the secret component they used to add it is the egg white. It's so made. They used to make the egg white with mix it with the individual colors, and then we draw it this one like sponge will accept this kind of colors. It will be sticky forever. After they finish the whole story, they will cover the paper and the colors with the egg white layers, the same like decoupage or the epoxy. It will be protected forever. Thanks. Come.